Nice to meet you through this video, and I would like to introduce the oil purifier. Many companies are using lubricant oil, hydraulic oil, and other types of oils for their machinery parts. As time goes by, managing oil quality became one of the most important parameters for proper maintenance, not only for saving oil costs, but also for preventing possible damage on the machinery parts. Because poor oil quality will cause many issues such as abnormal viscosity, wears, abrasion, corrosion, and other issues. Flatech is working with Samyang Filtech based in Korea, and we would like to introduce the oil purifier. The oil purifier has enhanced compact design. For particle removal section, the electro-absorption filter uses electrostatic technology with high voltage. Anode and cathode poles and specially designed filtering media are equipped. After feeding contaminated oil, high voltage will be supplied from the transformer, and corona discharge effect will take place. There are both metallic and non-metallic ions in contaminated oil, and each ion will be electrically charged. The particle less than 1 micrometer will cohere and grow. Charged particle will then migrate to opposite side of pole. In between each anode and cathode poles, absorption filter, which is called as the collector, is absorbing particles from the oil. This is one of our unique technologies that can remove particles down to 0.05 micrometer, including the varnish. For water removal section, pure vacuum distillation technology is used to remove dissolved water and gases more effectively. Vacuum pump will control high system vacuum and oils are spread through the nozzle. High vacuum will allow water to be evaporated below 60 degrees Celsius while oils are still under their bubble point, so oil loss by entrainment can be minimized. We will explain about each part of the system more in detail. Electric heater will keep the oil feed temperature at 60 to 65 degrees Celsius. Suction strainer will remove particles greater than 100 micrometer. Pure vacuum system for water removal is equipped with upper and lower vacuum chambers. Upper vacuum chamber is used for vaporizing the moisture, and lower vacuum chamber is for transferring the oil. One of our unique technologies keep high vacuum at around minus 99 kilopascal or above continuously, so moisture removal efficiency can be maintained in good condition all time. An oil cooler is used to condense the vaporized moisture, and the condensate water will be discharged automatically when water level in the condensation tank is high. Injection nozzle with a 15 micrometer filtering media is used to spray oil, so dissolved water and gases can be removed more effectively. Oil condition can be monitored through sight glasses from both upper and lower vacuum chambers. This is a vacuum pump. This is a control panel controlled by PLC. This is a pressure switch that will stop operation when transfer pump pressure goes higher than 5 kg or more, depending on the step value. A pump is used to transfer oil from the lower vacuum chamber to cartridge filters before the electro-absorption filter to remove large particles. Cartridge filters are not shown in this video. Electro absorption filter is used for particle removal down to 0.05 micrometer. Top side can be easily opened for easy maintenance. Absorption filter between anode and cathode for removes particle. Oil sample can be taken from the oil purifier through sampling valve. For the safety, the limit switch is installed so when the cover is open, the system will be automatically shut down. There is also oil detecting sensor under the deck and the system will be automatically shut down with alarm when oil leakage is detected. System operation can be easily controlled by operation panel. Emergency stop switch can be used for any emergency situation. Temperature adjustment panel can set oil feed temperature and the system will be automatically shut down when actual temperature reaches a certain value. Real-time detector shows contamination level for NOS or ISO and relative humidity, so oil quality can be monitored. Oil sample is taken from the transfer pump, so real-time detector can measure value in real time. The oil purifier takes oil from the oil storage tank. Suction and discharge nozzles shall be connected to the oil storage tank. Depending on the oil condition, system operation mode can be chosen for particle removal, water particle removal, or water removal. Start button for system and heater button. Oils are sucked into the strainer from the oil storage tank to remove particles larger than 100 micrometer. Oils are heated up at the electric heater. After injecting oil through a nozzle in the upper vacuum chamber, dissolved moisture and gases are evaporated. Oils will be transferred from the upper chamber to the lower chamber. Evaporated water will be condensed and stored to be discharged automatically. When oil level in the oil vacuum chamber reaches to a high point, on-off valves will be switched so oil will be transferred from the lower vacuum chamber to the 5 and 2 micrometer cartridge filters by the transfer pump. Please note that cartridge filters are not shown in this video. After the cartridge filters, oils are fed into the electro absorption filter to remove micro-sized particles. Purified oils will be sent back to the oil storage tank. By circulation operation, contaminated oil will be purified. The The oil purifier can be used in turbine oil lubrication system for power plant. For an example, lubricant oil for turbines are circulated and will be contaminated by impurities such as metal particle and water. These impurities will cause wear, abnormal viscosity, abrasion, corrosion, and other issues. The oil purifier can purify oils by removing these impurities, so mechanical breakdown can be prevented. Additionally, oil quality will be maintained in good condition. Oil color and transparency are affected by impurities, and after purification, color will be recovered. We would like to conclude that the oil purifier will remove impurities such as water and ionic and non-ionic particles by using specialized technologies. The oil purifier is mostly operated by auto control by system. The oil purifier is reliable for long-term operation. The oil purifier will maintain oils in good condition and will maximize oil lifetime. The oil purifier will minimize mechanical damages of compressor, turbine, and hydraulic system. Thanks for watching this video for the oil purifier. And if you are facing any issues on your oil system or you need further information, please feel free to contact us.